If you want to make your chunky slippers extra cozy, you can add a ribbed cuff to the opening. To do this, you should be comfortable knitting with double-pointed needles. For a primer on how to knit with double-pointed needles, check out this tutorial first. I'm using 6mm double-pointed needles here, and I'm going to insert a needle into the back heel and wrap the yarn around the needle. Then I'll pull the yarn through to create a stitch. Now I'm going to go across the whole foot opening, picking up stitches. You can see these purl ridges along the slipper, right? So I'm going to insert my needle to pick up stitches between the purl ridges. So here's a purl ridge, so I'm going to stick my needle in between these ridges and pull out a stitch. I'm going to go in between the ridges. So because I'm knitting 1x1 rib, I need to pick up an even number of stitches. So for the child size, I'll pick up 24 stitches, and for both adult sizes, pick up 30 stitches. When one needle gets full of stitches, then introduce a second and then a third needle. Once you've picked up 24 or 30 stitches across the opening, then we're ready to knit 1x1 rib. This rib is super easy. It's basically knit 1 and purl 1 across the whole round. Here's a video I did all about rib knitting. Please watch it for a detailed explanation. Now I'm going to knit 1x1 rib in the round for 3 inches for a child size and 4 inches for an adult size. Now that my rib measures 3 inches, we're ready to cast off. So I'm going to cast off loosely in pattern. What that means is that I'll knit the knits and purl the purls as I cast off. Here's a video I did all about casting off in pattern. Please watch for more details. Now that I've cast off and secured the yarn, my cuff is complete. It looks so cute. I just can't. Oh my gosh, so adorable.